Welcome back to the AI world. Today we're diving into a fascinating and thought-provoking topic. What if we replace ourselves as homemakers with humanoid robots? Imagine a future where humanoid robots handle all our household chores, from cooking and cleaning to childcare and managing our homes. This idea, once a staple of science fiction, is rapidly becoming a potential reality. Let's explore the possibilities, benefits, and potential downsides of this futuristic scenario. Let's start by looking at the potential benefits. Convenience and efficiency. Humanoid robots could take on time-consuming tasks such as cleaning, cooking, and laundry, giving us more time to focus on work, hobbies, and spending quality time with family. Imagine coming home to a spotless house with dinner ready and laundry neatly folded. The convenience these robots offer could transform our daily lives, providing us with the precious gift of time. Picture the relief of not having to rush home after a long day at work to cook dinner or clean up. Instead, you can relax and enjoy the moments that truly matter. Childcare and elderly care. Humanoid robots could provide consistent and reliable care for children and the elderly, offering companionship and assistance with daily activities. This could alleviate the burden on family members and ensure that loved ones receive attentive care. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that your elderly parents are receiving the care they need, all while you handle other responsibilities. These robots could become trusted companions, offering support and friendship to those who need it most. Or the time you can spend in doing activities with your children, going out for a drive, window shopping, or a lunch date with your girlfriends, while your personalized humanoid takes care of tasks like helping kids with their homework, projects, and other educational activities. Smart home integration. Equipped with AI, humanoid robots could seamlessly integrate with smart home systems, managing everything from security to energy consumption. They could monitor the home environment, adjust lighting and temperature, and even manage smart appliances to optimize comfort and efficiency. Imagine a home that anticipates your needs, adjusting the temperature before you arrive, and ensuring that everything is just the way you like it. This level of integration could create a living environment that feels almost magical. Mental health benefits. Humanoids can offer significant mental health benefits by providing companionship, reducing loneliness, and offering consistent emotional support. These robots, equipped with advanced AI, can engage in meaningful conversations, recognize emotional cues, and respond empathetically, creating a comforting presence for individuals struggling with mental health issues. They can also assist therapists by monitoring patients' emotional states and progress, enabling more personalized and effective treatment plans. Additionally, humanoids can help individuals practice social interactions in a safe environment, boosting confidence and social skills. By seamlessly integrating into daily life, humanoids have the potential to enhance mental well-being and support those in need. While the benefits are enticing, it's also important to consider the potential downsides of replacing ourselves with humanoid robots. Let's delve into some of the concerns that come with this technological shift. Job displacement. One significant concern is the displacement of jobs. Many people rely on domestic work for their livelihood, and the widespread adoption of humanoid robots could lead to job losses and economic disruption. For example, housekeepers, nannies, and caregivers might find their roles diminished or replaced entirely by robots. This raises important questions about how society will support those who are displaced by this technology. We need to consider how we can create new opportunities and provide retraining for those whose jobs are affected. Overreliance on technology. Relying too heavily on robots for household tasks could lead to a loss of essential skills. We might become too dependent on technology, losing the ability to perform basic tasks ourselves. This could be particularly concerning in situations where technology fails or is unavailable. Imagine a world where we no longer know how to cook a meal or fix a simple household issue because we have become so dependent on robots. Maintaining a balance between human skills and robotic assistance will be crucial. Privacy concerns. With robots constantly monitoring our homes, there could be significant privacy concerns. Ensuring that these robots handle personal data responsibly and securely would be crucial. Imagine a scenario where a robot's data is hacked or misused, leading to breaches of personal information. We must establish strong privacy protections and transparent data practices to safeguard our homes and families. Ethical concerns. How do we treat these robots? If they are capable of mimicking human emotions and behavior, it raises questions about their rights and the nature of our interactions with them. For instance, if a robot appears to be sentient, should it have certain protections or rights? These ethical dilemmas will need careful consideration as we integrate robots more deeply into our lives. How we interact with and treat these robots could have profound implications for our understanding of consciousness and morality. Economic impact. The widespread adoption of humanoid robots could have broad economic implications. While they might reduce household costs in the long run, the initial investment and maintenance could be significant. Additionally, as robots take over more roles, the structure of our economy and job market might need to adapt, potentially leading to new industries and opportunities. We must consider how to ensure that the benefits of robotic technology are shared widely rather than concentrated in the hands of a few. Social impact. Robots in homes could alter social dynamics and relationships. For instance, if robots handle childcare, how might this affect the parent-child bond? If robots provide companionship, what impact could this have on human interactions and relationships? It's important to consider how these changes might influence our social fabric. We need to ensure that the use of robots enhances our lives without diminishing the human connections that are so vital to our well-being. Sustainability. On the positive side, robots could help us live more sustainably. They could manage resources more efficiently, reduce waste, and promote energy-saving practices. However, the production and disposal of robots also raise environmental concerns. Balancing the benefits of efficiency with the environmental impact of manufacturing and maintaining robots will be important. We must strive to develop and use these technologies in ways that are environmentally responsible and sustainable. In conclusion, replacing ourselves as homemakers with humanoid robots presents both exciting possibilities and significant challenges. While the convenience and efficiency they offer are appealing, we must carefully consider the social, economic, and ethical implications. As AI and robotics continue to advance, it's crucial that we navigate this transition thoughtfully and responsibly. By addressing these concerns proactively, we can harness the benefits of humanoid robots while minimizing potential downsides. It's an exciting future, but one that requires careful planning and consideration. We have the opportunity to shape a future where technology enhances our lives in meaningful ways while preserving the values and connections that make us human. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the AI World for more in-depth discussions on artificial intelligence.